I'm going to show you what are styles and how we create them. So a theme can have multiple styles, um, and you can switch between styles from the customizer. In this case, I've got one extra style. If you have a style in your theme, you are going to see the style switcher button in the customizer. If you don't have a style, this button is not going to be visible. So the default style right now, it's the default theme, the theme default. If I click on the dark, the theme is gonna switch to the dark style. It's the same theme but in a darker color, and that's it. There's nothing else you have to do. Alright, so, and if you, of course, if you want to switch it back to the original theme, all you have to do, go to the customizer, go to the style switcher, and choose the style sheet you want to load. Alright, so how do we create those style sheets? Actually, it's very simple, thanks to Trevor and thanks to Artisteer. So I've got the original theme, Marie, loaded up, and it's very important to know that the changes that you have to make, it has to be to the CSS file and not the PHP. For example, you can change font colors, you can change the actual fonts, you can change the background colors, you can change the colors of the header, footer, navigation bar, and so on and so forth. What you can't do, and you can change how the sidebars are displayed, whether it's going to be open like this, or it's going to, you're going to have borders, shadows, and whatever. What you can't do, you cannot do, is add or remove a sidebar, um, remove the header, or add a header if you didn't have a header. So anything that's going to affect the PHP files, you cannot do. But again, switch, just adding colors, changing fonts, that's, you can do it, and it's very simple. So at this point, I'm gonna go and randomly I'm gonna put a color scheme as soon as they load up. So let's make it New Zealand. You can't get uglier than this. There you go. Alright, so forget about customizing anything else, the way it is. I'm gonna go ahead now and export this, so I can do it with a Quicker Themes plugin or the Theme City plugin. They're both the same. They're gonna do the job the same. So once I go to the export screen, I'm gonna go to Options, and I'm gonna go to the tab that says Export Type. There you go. And I'm gonna change it. Usually it's gonna be at full theme. I'm gonna change it to Style Switcher. Okay, that's all I have to do. And now let me give it a name. That was New Zealand. Let's just call it Ugly. Alright, it's gonna take it to the desktop. I don't want it zipped. Go for it. In a few seconds, it's the export will be done. There you go. I can close the artist here. Alright, so this is the folder. Okay, so all I'm gonna do now is get this folder and put it into the styles folder of my theme. So this is the theme folder. Okay, this is the site. That's the name of the theme. Inside the theme folder, there's going to be another folder called styles. Open that and take away the style sheet that we just created. Alright, so now we have dark and ugly. So now if I go to the customizer and go to the style switcher, I should be able to see both, and I do. So all I have to do is select the ugly, which it's the preset in Artisteer for New Zealand. I'm gonna say sub publish, and that's it. And now, although the original theme was with a darker header and a white background, the actual theme now is like this. So that's it, how to create style sheets and load them up and how to install them.